Hi, I'm Eric Deveta.
I'm Patrick Berglund.
I'm Mia Johannesson.
I'm Anka Chwaka.
Our flagship customer event is back. This is the second edition and we're all looking forward to it.
Just like last year, I'm bringing the customer success team with me to Amsterdam.
Executive engagement track, user deep dive tracks, Xeneta help desk. There will be something for everybody at the Xeneta Summit.
During this session, we'll be discussing the Xeneta data growth, the quality of the Xeneta data, and of course also the new products and the new features that Xeneta just developed and that the Xeneta will be developing in the future.
Attendees will be able to access the latest industry and product insights from Xeneta experts.
We'll hold several sessions specifically targeted to our Xeneta users.
With over 20 Xenetians from various teams in attendance, there will be incredible opportunities for BCOs, freight forwarders, analysts, consultants to gather in one melting pot to talk about containerized shipping.
Expect hands-on sessions on various topics like target setting and tender management, monitoring, and reporting.
Be prepared for informative keynotes, hands-on training, networking with peers, and one-on-one time with our product experts.
This is a chance for our users to ask open-ended questions and get an authentic answer.
The thing I'm most excited about is the customer appreciation event. You'll have the chance to socialize with other attendees at an exclusive dinner at the Artis Aquarium. The underwater world of rainbow fish, seahorses, piranha, and endangered coral species is the perfect setting for a spectacular dinner.
What I'm really excited about is the fact that Xeneta is gathering 6 million data points every single month. That's 6 million contracts that we're importing in our database every single month.
The thing I'm most excited about is the opportunity to again meet so many of you in person.
The thing I'm most excited about for this year's summit is the chance to be in the same room with our customers and to pick their brains, to get their views on the product, everything we're building, what's going on in the market and so forth. And really spend time with them to understand how we can do things better and how we can create more value between us.